President Aquino had several callers in Malacanang today. Among them was visiting British Foreign Minister William Hague, who expressed support for the peace process in Mindanao. The chief executive also met with the members of the Philippine government and MILF peace panels, as well as the Malaysian facilitator of the peace negotiation. Here again is Rocky Ignacio.
The international community recognized a comprehensive agreement on the Bangsamoro between the government and the Moro Islamic Liberation Front as a road for lasting peace in Mindanao. President Aquino met United Kingdom Foreign Minister William Hague in Malacanang. The visiting official lauded the initiative, which he described as outstanding achievement for the country and future generations. He also expressed elation to have met the Mindanao peace negotiators. The Transition Commission paid a courtesy call on President Aquino in Malacanang days after the government and the MILF panel signed the last of 4 annexes of the Bangsamoro Peace Agreement in Malaysia. The Transition Commission is in charge of drafting the Bangsamoro Basic Law to be submitted to Congress. Presidential Communications Secretary Sani Coloma encouraged especially the Moro National Liberation Front to participate in the peace process. Coloma stressed that peace advocates are welcome in attaining peace and development in the region.
Masasabi ko lang ay wala namang discrimination or wala namang pagkilos na ang intention ay madehado or mag-discriminate against any particular sector, dahil ang layunin nga natin ay mapatupad ang isang kasunduan hinggil sa kapayapaan. Kaya nga mayroong mga observers na nagsasabi na ang kaganapang ito ay maaring taguriang peace spoiler. Hindi naman natin kagustuhan na magkaroon ng karahasan sa ngayon. Kailangan lang ipagtanggol yung kaligtasan ng ating mga mamamayan, at ang pangunahing layunin pa rin ay pairalin ang kapayapaan.
Government Chief Negotiator Miriam Coronel Ferrer appealed to Bangsamoro Islamic Freedom Fighters to lay down their arms and join the peace process. Ferrer reiterated the call amidst the threat of the BIFF to disrupt the process.
Sa lahat naman ng mga ganitong pagkakataon, is natin na mawakasan yung pagkakaroon ng labanan o ng karahasan sa lalong madaling panahon. Dahil ang nais nating matamo ay yung katahimikan at yung kaayusan. Wala sa interes natin na lumaon o humaba pa ang paglalaban at ang karahasan.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.